Today we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated comebacks in the automotive world, the 2026 Mazda RX-9. This is more than just a sports car, it's a legacy reborn. Mazda fans have been waiting for years, and now the wait is finally over. Let's break it all down, from the exterior styling to interior features, performance figures, and what it's going to cost you, starting with the design. The 2026 Mazda RX-9 is a true head-turner. Mazda has clearly put a lot of time and effort into making sure the RX-9 carries forward the spirit of the RX-7 and RX-8, while also pushing into the future with bold, modern lines. The Kodo design language has evolved. This isn't just a facelifted MX-5. It's longer, lower, and more muscular. The front end is aggressive, with a sharp, Lowe's-lung grille and sleek LED headlights that feel both futuristic and timeless. Every line is sculpted to communicate speed. Even when the car is standing still, Mazda's signature Soul red crystal paint just looks phenomenal on the RX-9. You can also get it in jet black, machine gray, snowflake white, and a new Aurora blue. Exclusive to the RX-9 lineup, the coupe silhouette, with its fastback rear and flush door handles, adds to that race-bred aesthetic. The 20-inch alloy wheels are wrapped in high-performance rubber, and the aerodynamic detailing from the functional air vents to the active rear spoiler isn't just for show. It's there to improve downforce and stability at high speeds. Now let's step inside. The interior of the 2026 Mazda RX-9 might surprise a lot of people because it's not just about sportiness. Mazda has gone for a minimalistic yet premium approach. The cabin is driver-focused, as you'd expect, but it's also surprisingly luxurious. There's a lot of high-quality leather Alcantara inserts and brushed metal trim, especially in the top trims. The bucket seats are snug and supportive. With power adjustment and memory settings available in higher trims, behind the steering wheel, you'll find a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster, which is customizable and crisp. It offers multiple drive modes, including a track setting that changes the display to emphasize performance metrics, like G-forces, lap timers, and engine temperature. The steering wheel itself is thick, leather-wrapped, with paddle shifters mounted. Behind it, in a very tactile feel, in the center of the dash, is a 10.8-inch infotainment display running Mazda's latest interface. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And there's a built-in rotary dial if you prefer not to use the touchscreen while driving. Below the screen, you've got climate controls that thankfully still use physical knobs. A nice nod to usability. The RX-9 also offers a premium 12-speaker Bose sound system that delivers crisp audio. Even when you're pushing the car hard on the road, there's also a decent amount of storage for a sports coupe. The trunk space is surprisingly usable. The RX-9 offers split-folding rear seats for added practicality, though, let's be honest, those rear seats are more for bags than passengers. That said, this isn't meant to be a daily commuter or a family car. It's a purpose-built machine for driving enjoyment. Now, let's get into what really matters: performance. Under the hood, Mazda has brought back the rotary engine, but this time, it's been completely re-engineered. The 2026 RX-9 is powered by a 1.6-liter twin-rotor Skyactiv-R engine paired with a mild hybrid 48-volt system. This setup delivers around 400 horsepower and 330 pounds-ft of torque, sending power to the rear wheels through a 6-speed manual gearbox or an optional 8-speed automatic with paddle surfed. Yes, you heard that right. The manual is alive and well, and it's glorious. The throttle response is instant, and the rotary engine revs all the way to 9,000 RPM. It's a driving enthusiast's dream. 0 to 60 comes in just under 4 seconds. And the top speed is electronically limited to around 174 miles per hour. But more than just straight-line numbers. What makes the RX-9 special is how it handles. The car uses a near 50 to 50 weight distribution and a lightweight chassis made from a mix of aluminum and carbon fiber enforced plastics. It hugs corners like it's on rails. The steering is tight, The suspension is tuned for precision, and the adaptive dampers adjust to your driving style. On the track or on a twisty mountain road, the RX-9 delivers feedback and balance that rivals much more expensive European sports cars. And yes, the rotary engine's sound is still unique, a high-pitched, mechanical symphony that's unmistakable. Fuel economy isn't exactly the RX-9's strong suit, but Mazda has made improvements thanks to the hybrid assist. You can expect somewhere around 21 mpg city and 28 mpg highway, which isn't bad considering the performance on tap. On the safety front, the RX-9 comes with Mazda's full iActiv suite. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and a forward collision warning system. There's also a 360-degree camera and rear cross-traffic alert. Even though this is a performance car, Mazda hasn't skimped on the tech that makes daily driving safer and easier. Alright, let's talk about pricing. The base model RX-9, which includes the manual transmission and most of the performance goodies, starts at $54,995. If you want the mid-tier GT trim with the upgraded interior, rim sound, and adaptive suspension, you're looking at around $61,000. The top-spec RX-9 Signature Edition, which comes fully loaded with the automatic gearbox, Nappa leather, carbon fiber trim, and exclusive paint options, will set you back about $67,500, considering what you're getting: a unique rotary powertrain, beautiful design, premium interior, and pure driving dynamics. The price is competitive. It's positioned between the Toyota GR Supra and the Porsche Cayman, offering a distinct alternative that leans heavily into its legacy and uniqueness. So, should you buy it? Or someone who values driving, feel uniqueness, and performance that doesn't blend in with the rest of the sports car market? The 2026 Mazda RX-9 is a serious contender. It's not just a revival, it's a statement. Mazda has proven that it still believes in the joy of driving, and if you do too, this car might just be what you've been waiting for.